Morning, everybody.
Morning.
So how are you feeling after last night's party?
Pretty well. Better than ever.
But people in the party still, not here to answer. Yesterday somebody was asking why I came to Poland. Is it for TLI or for the beautiful and hot girls of Poland? I did not answer. I definitely know about the beautiful and hot girls of Poland, which I haven't experienced. But my story with Poland goes to the time when I was a very young kid. Because as kids there was some very famous candy, which is still come to Saudi Arabia until now. And just one day when I was young, I was looking and exploring and I found it is in Poland. At that time I didn't know. I was surprised because it was during the communist time and there was no much relation between Saudi Arabia and Poland. But then as I became a teenager, it was during the 80s. And you know what was happening here in Poland in the 80s. Solidarność. And many people look to this event probably as something only to Poland. But the reality, it wasn't here in Poland alone. Solidarność has shaped the whole world. People in my country, where we have no connection whatsoever to Poland, still were following very much the news about what was happening in Gdansk and the other Polish cities. Here in Poland was the spark which shaped the world at that time, especially for East Europe in particular. And that's why I really wanted to come here to Poland since 2012. I wanted to join the conference in Poznan at that time. After that, I got several invitations to attend TLI. But for one reason or another, that did not happen. Only this year, I was approached by Michal, and I said, okay, my schedule is very busy. I have so many trips, but I will try my best. And honestly, at that time, I was not very much sure if I can make it, because I know I have so much travel in this period. Actually, just last week I returned home. I'm going to be back home on Wednesday, and again Sunday I will leave. And I have a very big family. That's why I wanted to come to Poland. What is special about Toastmasters in Poland? I see it exactly the same like the Solidarność. People here in Poland and clubs of Toastmasters are growing very fast. And that's really going to add value, not only to the Polish people. I came here because I really feel from Poland we can change again the shape of the world, starting from East Europe. People ask me sometimes, what you learn serving as international director? I go to United States, and in Region 11 itself, I go to UK, and I go also to the very undeveloped country like Zimbabwe. And guess what? People are the same. If they are in UK, Germany, Zimbabwe, Poland, Russia, Lithuania, wherever, people need Toastmasters. Because with Toastmasters, we don't teach people how to fish. We don't teach people how to gain food. But we teach them something more important. People in Toastmasters, they learn how to live, how to gain their life, how to gain their soul, to speak out their heart. Some people, they can make very excellent living, but still, deep inside, there will be cough. Well, somebody, maybe he's struggling to make living, but then he or she, they speak their heart. They live to their value. They say what really they want to say. They can speak in confidence. And that's more important and more valuable. Because people, when they speak their hearts, guess what? They will get all the fish that they really would like to have. But it will be the fish that they like, not the fish which they get when they are caught. And this is the value and the true essence of Toastmasters. It's not only how to speak, it's not only how to lead, but mainly to get the self-confidence, the self-esteem. When people, they come to the stage and they cannot speak, that's because they see themselves very little. And with Toastmasters, people, they start to realize they deserve more. Exactly like this retirement. People, they were happy, or at least they were quiet because they were getting. Only in 1980, when people started speaking. We don't accept this. And exactly the same, we don't accept to be without Toastmasters. We don't accept to be without our voice. We don't accept to be not able to speak our hearts. I really came here to Poland because I know that we have so many clubs compared to countries in Europe. I know people, they are trying to have Poland as one district. But is that enough? How many here engineers or accountants? If we target only 1% of the population, and in every club we have 100 members. Do you have clubs having 100 members? Okay, let's assume we have 100 members in the club. So for 1 million, how much 1%? 1% of 1 million. 10,000. And if we assume 100 members in every club, how much that means? 10,000 over 100. Very easy.
100.
100. So for every 1 million, we need 100 clubs. That basically means one district. Actually, districts are 5,000, around 5,000 members. And you just told me that 1% of 1 million is 10,000. But we will say for every 1 million, one district. So how many districts actually we need here in Poland?
36, 37.
36, 37 districts. Yesterday I was talking with many people in the party and say, oh, we have 4 clubs. That's enough for our city. Especially Anya here from Bosnia. He said, oh, we have 4 clubs, that's enough. I think now she knows that's way too little. And it starts in your mind. If you think it is too much or enough, it will be enough. If you start thinking about only 1%, how many here think that there is less than 1% who need Toastmaster? Or how many percent you think they are really in need for Toastmasters in Poland? What is the percentage you think of people who really need Toastmasters?
99. 99.
99. 10. 100. Well, we are talking about only 1%. 1%. And that means for every 1 million, we need at least 100 clubs. This is the most important, very important for you as club leaders, as area directors, as division directors. Because mindset is everything. Everything starts here first, in your brain. Then it can take shape in the real world. If people think it's enough, it will be enough. But if you start thinking about only 1%, not 10, not 99, not 100, not even 2%, just 1%. So, if you are a club membership VP, Vice President for Membership, if you are a club president, you know that what you have in your club still is very limited. Because actually you can get more people. A lot of people still need Toastmasters and they're around you. Actually, I think one of the success for the club leaders, not only to get 10-point TCB, but to create one more club at least. People in Poland are waiting for you, but not in Poland only. Like the Solidarność, how it shaped the whole world and East Europe in particular, you have the power to change again the history, starting here from Poland. And let us start by 1%. Back to you.